Hello and welcome to Vembu product demos. Now this video will be a guide on how the Vembu offsite disaster recovery works. Now talking about Vembu, we have been successfully providing backup and disaster recovery solutions to our customers for more than a decade, and this video is mainly intended to help our customers in the product evaluation in their own testing environment. Alright. Now, when organizations are taken into consideration based on the current vulnerable state of data, it is highly important for organizations to maintain reliable backups. And while talking about backup, it is generally on-site, right? That is like backup of the critical and sensitive data is maintained in the production environment itself. But for your data to abide by the term always available, a single backup of your data in the production site alone is not sufficient. Now there comes into role play the Vembu OffsiteDR. Now, and this is an interesting idea of creating a second copy of your backup in an offsite location away from the on-site location. Fine, so now let's get straight into the video. Now the Vembu BDR server is the primary backup server. You can download the Vembu BDR server from our website www.vembu.com. Right, so click on the download tab you see here. Yes. So here in this page, click on download installer, which will download a setup file which you see here. Right, so meanwhile you can fill in your details here. Right, now once the download is complete, run the BDR suite with the administrator rights and install it. Yes, so the installation procedure has started. Right, so once the installation is successfully completed, you can see a shortcut created. Now using this, you can log into the Vembu BDR suite by entering the credentials. Now after the fresh installation, a one-time procedure of setting the time zone and a unique BDR ID has to be done. So yes guys, this is the Vembu BDR Suite console. And now before enabling the Vembu OffsiteDR, which this video is all about, it is important to know about portal. So let us create a portal account and register this BDR server to the newly created portal account. So what you need to do is, in this BDR server, navigate to management, server management, server registration, and click on register and then sign up. Else you can also directly sign up from our web browser by logging into www.portal.vembu.com. Now both of these ways will take you to the sign up page where you need to enter the company name, your email ID, your phone number, select the country and the state, and click on sign up. Now a mail will be sent along with the link of activation to your entered email ID while the sign up. Now once you open your mail, click on verify my email address, and this will take you to a page where you need to create a password using which you will be able to log into the portal. Now once you enter the password, click on activate. Yes, so now your portal account is ready. So from your web browser, log into www.portal.vembu.com, enter your email ID and the password here to sign in. Yes, so once the portal account is created, it's important that we register it to the BDR server. So from the BDR server console, again navigate to management, server management, the server registration, and click on register. Now here the BDR ID is already given, so enter the account ID you created and the password. And now click on register. Your BDR is now linked to your Vembu portal account. So now getting back and coming into the important part of our video. In order to replicate all your backups to an offsite location, you need to download and install the Vembu OffsiteDR in an offsite location. Now this download and installation was about your Vembu BDR, which will act as a first copy of your backup. So the second copy will be in the offsite location, for which we will be downloading and installing the Vembu OffsiteDR. Now let me show you the screen of another machine where I will be downloading and installing my OffsiteDR. Yes, so this is the machine, and here you can log into our website www.vembu.com. Yeah, and here in this product tab, choose the Vembu OffsiteDR. Yes, now here in this page you can download the OffsiteDR. Right, so after the download, you can run the Vembu OffsiteDR with administrator rights and install. Yes guys, so once the installation procedure is completed, a shortcut will be created. So again, you can use the shortcut to log in by entering the credentials. Now again, as done in the BDR, after a fresh installation, you can set the time zone and the OffsiteDR ID. Yes guys, so your OffsiteDR console is also ready. Now this OffsiteDR should also be linked to the portal we created. So from here, navigate to management, server registration. Yes, so here your OffsiteDR ID is already mentioned, and so enter the email ID and the password of the portal account you created and register. Yes, so by this your OffsiteDR is also registered to the portal account. So from your BDR server, you can link to the OffsiteDR server. So for that, let me go back to the screen of my source machine where I have my BDR server running. Yes, so here in this BDR console, navigate to management, offsite copy management, offsite copy configuration. And here you need to enable this and choose my own data center. And by clicking on add server, enter the IP address of the machine where you have installed the Vembu OffsiteDR. Right, so after this, you can configure the Windows retention, bandwidth and seed settings here. Now this Windows settings helps you to choose the time when you want the offsite replication to take place. Right. Now this retention settings helps to choose the number of latest restore points you want to maintain. Right. Now the next option of bandwidth throttling can be chosen here based on your requirements. Here you can also choose to seed the existing backup data, and here you can select to seed your new backup data which are more than the size you mentioned here. Yes, so after all this, click on Save Replication Settings. So once you save the settings, every backup you perform here in this BDR, the recovery, its reports, all will be automatically replicated to the OffsiteDR console. So let me demonstrate that to you. So let's configure a backup here in this BDR server. Okay, after the initial configuration steps, finally give a name to your backup job. So I am giving a name as offsite test. Okay, now click on save the backup. Yes, now the backup procedure has started. So by clicking on this icon, you can check the status of the backup progress here. Okay. Yes, so your backup is now complete. Also, you can notice in the recovery tab, okay, the replication to OffsiteDR is active. And also you can check the status of the replication here. Yes, the replication is also complete. Okay, so eventually what happens is once you save your backup process begins, and after it gets completed, immediately the replication procedure to OffsiteDR also starts. So let me show you the machine where I have my OffsiteDR. Yes, so can you see the backup job we created in the BDR server with the name offsite test has been replicated here to the OffsiteDR. Now, if at all there comes a situation where your BDR itself is at risk, like in a scenario where your entire production environment faces downtime, so then you can recover and have access to your data from the Vembu Offsite Disaster Recovery Solution, right? So you can log into the Vembu OffsiteDR. Now, by clicking on the particular restore option of the backup job you want to recover, you can get back your data with the multiple recovery options available with Vembu. So yes guys, this is how the Vembu OffsiteDR, the disaster recovery solution, works. I really hope this video was helpful. Vembu's support is available 24/7. You can contact us anytime with the phone numbers and the email IDs displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching, and for more such videos, stay tuned.